Europe lingers in the mind, a living tapestry woven from centuries of language, belief, and tradition. Its soul is found in quiet moments, laughter in cafes, church bells, and the warmth of shared meals. Here, time moves in circles, each season marked by festivals and memories. As we continue, we ask, what truly makes Europe so alive, so enduring? What is the secret at the heart of Europe's soul? Is it the chorus of languages rising from crowded squares, or the quiet faith that draws pilgrims to ancient shrines? Or is it hidden in the simple joys, a shared meal, a neighbor's greeting, the notes of a distant violin drifting through an open window? These questions invite us to look deeper, beyond the surface, and discover the continent's true character. How do so many different cultures exist side by side, sometimes even within the same city block? What stories linger beneath the cobblestones and behind the doors of family homes? Europe's diversity is not only about geography, it is about the thousands of small decisions made every day: how to celebrate, what to cook, which language to speak at the dinner table. As we travel from bustling capitals to sleepy hamlets, these questions guide our steps. They remind us to listen, to ask, to be curious, for every tradition has its roots. Every faith its rituals, and every language its history, alive in the lives of real people. The story of Europe is not just told in books or museums, it lives in daily life, in every handshake, every toast, every song sung around a fire. Let's follow these questions deeper, into the very heart of Europe's identity. Walk into any European town, and you'll likely find a church at its center. Faith is woven into the continent's landscape, shaping both skyline and spirit. Catholic, Protestant, and Orthodox traditions each carry centuries of story, visible in soaring cathedrals, weathered monasteries, and the art that fills their walls. The Notre Dame of Paris, the Vatican's St. Peter's Basilica, Cologne's twin-spired cathedral, all rise like prayers in stone, calling believers and dreamers alike. But Europe's faith is not only grand, it's intimate too. A candle flickering in a side chapel, a family gathering for Sunday Mass, a procession winding through cobbled streets on a saint's feast day. In Greece, monks chant ancient hymns in the monasteries of Meteora. In rural Spain, pilgrims trek the Camino de Santiago, each step a blend of devotion and discovery. Religious art tells the continent's story: Michelangelo's frescoes, icons gilded in gold, the haunting beauty of requiem masses echoing under vaulted ceilings. Yet faith in Europe is also modern and diverse. Mosques, synagogues, Sikh temples, and Buddhist shrines now stand beside churches, reflecting a new chapter of spiritual life. Whether in grand ceremonies or quiet contemplation, religion remains a living force in European identity. It shapes holidays, inspires music and art, and carves meaning into the rhythms of everyday life. Europe's festivals burst with color and joy, from Venice's masked carnival to Munich's lively Oktoberfest. In Spain, La Tomatina turns Buñol into a wild, tomato-splattered playground. Christmas markets glow with lights and the scent of cinnamon, inviting all to celebrate together. These festivals are more than parties. They weave community and memory, inviting the world to join in. Europe sings with 1,000 voices, music, dance, and art woven into daily life. In Spain, flamenco stirs the soul. In Ireland, Celtic bands fill pubs with ancient melodies. Art lives in Berlin's murals, Florence's frescoes, and Prague's sculptures. To join a dance or watch a painter's to step into Europe's living tapestry. At the heart of Europe's daily life is the family meal. In Italy, generations gather around tables laden with pasta, wine, and laughter. In Greece, the taverna is like a second home. Dishes of olives, grilled fish, and feta are passed from hand to hand, and stories and jokes flow as freely as the ouzo. The rhythm really varies from country to country, but the spirit is always the same: togetherness, sharing, and warmth. French cafes buzz from morning to night, where friends linger over coffee and croissants, savoring both food and conversation. In Spain, Tapas bars spill onto cobbled streets, inviting locals to sample, sip, and socialize until late. Alpine villages in Switzerland and Austria offer cozy chalets, where families warm themselves with fondue after a day in the snow. In Scandinavia, hygge, coziness and contentment, shapes home life. Candles flicker on windowsills, friends gather for fika, those special coffee breaks, and even the coldest winters somehow feel warm inside. Across Europe, food is more than just sustenance. It's ritual, comfort, and celebration. It brings people together, anchors tradition, and shapes identity. In every bite, there's a taste of history. Europe is a continent of voices. More than 200 languages echo through its valleys, mountains, and cities. Walk the streets of Barcelona and you'll hear Catalan and Spanish, while in the Basque country, the mysterious language of Euskara lives on, a link to an ancient past. In Wales, the lilting sounds of Welsh blend with English, telling stories of poets and heroes. In Romania's Transylvania, Hungarian, Romanian and Romani voices weave a rich cultural fabric. Far to the north, the Sami people of Lapland keep their traditions alive. Reindeer herding, joik singing, and language passed down through generations. Even within a single country, dialects and customs can change every few miles, with each village proud of its own identity. Europe's unity is honestly built on diversity. Regional costumes, crafts, and festivals keep local heritage strong. Minority cultures, once threatened, now find strength in revival. Folk schools in Brittany, Gaelic lessons in Ireland, and the Sami Parliament in Norway. This mosaic of languages and traditions is the very heart of European life. To travel here is to journey through a chorus of voices, each singing its own song, yet all part of a greater harmony. What makes Europe feel so human? Well, it's the way tradition and modern life walk hand in hand. Old stones and new dreams stand side by side. Medieval bridges span rivers that carry electric trams, while street markets sell both artisan bread and smartphone cases. The past is always close, but never a cage. Instead, it's a foundation, a source of pride and inspiration. Family ties run deep. Grandparents teach children songs, recipes, and customs that have survived wars and revolutions. Community is not just a word. It's felt in every village festival, every neighborly gesture, every shared memory. At the same time, Europe embraces change, welcoming new neighbors, creating new art, and reimagining old traditions for a new age. Heritage here is alive. It's not just in museums or churches, but in the way people live, love, and celebrate. This balance of past and present is Europe's quiet strength, a reminder that roots and wings can grow together. In every handshake, every song, every shared meal, we find the soul of a continent that honors its history while shaping its future. As our journey through Europe's culture, traditions, and daily life draws to a close, we stand at the threshold of its great cities. Ahead lies a world of stunning architecture, Gothic cathedrals towering over bustling squares, Renaissance palaces gleaming with art, and modern skylines that pierce the clouds. Each city tells its own story, etched in stone and glass, wood and steel. From the canals of Venice to the spires of Prague, the boulevards of Paris to the ramparts of Edinburgh, Europe's cities are living museums, yet they are also vibrant, evolving places, cafes alive with conversation, markets bursting with life, and festivals that bring old streets to new life every season. Here, history and innovation dance together. Join us as we step into these urban wonders. In the next part, we'll wander among the architectural treasures of Europe's greatest cities, exploring how their buildings, bridges, and boulevards reflect the spirit of the continent. Subscribe to Dream and Destiny Destinations. The journey has just begun.